All right, watching the drag racing here, but commercials are coming up. I'm going to go make some eggs for breakfast. Okay, this is how I make my eggs. It's pretty simple. Put the frying pan on there, crank the heat right up, all the way. Over here. And we'll grab a couple of eggs. Get them down here. Now I got a small bit of butter on here. Even though it's a non-stick pan, you know how those are. They don't work like they should all the time. So get this butter going on here. Yeah, don't need all that butter. A little bit less is better. Okay, so now got to get the right temperature. And with that, to do that, I have my hippy dippy little infrared gun here. Now you can use the gun, which I like doing because I know exactly where it's at then. I'm at 236 now. $271. $295, getting up there. So you can also, if you don't have this gun, just watch the butter and see what point it starts bubbling at. Okay, I'm at 330 now. That's about right. It's going to be about 350 degrees. Turn the heat right off. And then, just crack your eggs. Whoops. So, a little bit of salt. Yeah, the pan's just a little bit hotter than I like it to be, but that's all right. I should have cranked her off just a bit sooner. That'll work. And then take just a little bit of water. Drop her on there. And that will get rid of the snottiness of the eggs. Top of the eggs cooked. Some trash here. Okay, and now I just wait. Another minute or two. I don't even time this. I'll see once I make the video how long it took. That steam is cooking the top of the eggs right now. And pretty much in no time, you've got a couple of eggs cooked. I like mine with the center soft, so cooked almost to perfection. No hard boiled eggs here for me. Let's have a look at her here. Okay, yeah, things are. Well, the white's just a little bit soft there still, so I'll give it just a little bit more time. Just give it a little test, see what it's like. This is all real time, nothing sped up. And that's about where I like it at. One egg there. The other egg there. Pan aside. And for me, the icing on the cake is some homemade kombucha. Now that's a whole another little story, but boy, this stuff, when you get it done right, it's got a nice little fizz to it. Oh, it's just the best thing you can have when you're eating your eggs. I love this stuff. It's so good for you too. So, that's it. My eggs are cooked. Grab a fork. back into the living room where the action is happening.